Pickled cucumbers, also known as pickles, are simply different names for the same delicious food that you can't resist. The process of pickling begins as the seeds are carefully placed at the perfect depth in the soil by automated machines to ensure healthy growth. Once planted, the seeds are regularly maintained to encourage the sprouting of vibrant young plants. Farmers typically keep bees near their crops, as they are excellent pollinators, and their activity of extracting nectar boosts crop yield and enhances the overall quality of the produce. Over time, the saplings mature. Soon, a team of farmers arrives to gather the fruits of their labor, the fully grown cucumbers. To speed up the harvesting process and shield the workers from the intense sun, the farmers bring an innovative system that ensures efficiency. You may wonder why machinery isn't used for harvesting. Well, here's the automated process you were anticipating. The cucumbers are collected, transported, and stored through a highly organized system that ensures smooth handling. This system allows large-scale companies to save on labor costs by investing in these agricultural tools, which function efficiently with minimal manpower. Now, here's an interesting fact. China is the world's leading producer of cucumbers, producing approximately 77 million tons annually. With such impressive engineering, this production level is certainly achievable. Once harvested, the cucumbers are washed and readied for the pickling process. They are cleaned in a temporary facility where a crucial step is carried out, ensuring that the cucumbers are free from any dirt or pesticide residues before they are pickled. Workers meticulously check that only the highest quality cucumbers proceed to the next stage. These cucumbers are then moved to the main production unit, where the pickling process begins. The cucumbers are placed in brining units, which are a vital part of the pickling process. Here, the cucumbers are infused with a flavorful brine made from a secret blend of ingredients that gives the pickles their signature tangy taste. The cucumbers soak in the brine for a period ranging from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the company's preferences. Once the pickling time is complete, robust systems are used to handle the delicate pile of pickles. You've likely tried both sliced and whole pickles. Let's first explore the sliced variety. This batch of sliced pickles is processed mechanically, turning ordinary cucumbers into flavorful pickles ready for pickle enthusiasts everywhere. While jars are filled with sliced pickles and brine to keep them fresh, why not subscribe to my channel so you can join me whenever I post new content? Once ready, these pickles are prepared for dispatch. Feel free to comment below if you've ever tried their pickles or enjoyed watching the entire process. Now, let's take a look at another company's approach to pickling, which offers a slightly different experience. Cleaning or washing is crucial to ensure safety and quality for consumers. Gherkins, or pickles, are not only tasty but also offer numerous health benefits. Rich in gut-friendly probiotics and hydrating goodness, they are a crunchy delight that aids digestion and keeps your body refreshed. Studies suggest that cucumbers can help regulate blood sugar levels. Here's my favorite spice, dill, which is going to be added to the pickles. As they prepare the bottles with other spices, I want to mention that the fiber content in cucumber pickles, especially those made with the skin on, can aid digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Every company has its own method for preparing pickles, and here we're witnessing yet another unique process. These pickling cucumbers are generally shorter, measuring about 3 to 6 inches, and are more compact than slicing cucumbers. They also have a bumpy skin, making them ideal for whole pickle lovers. I'm sure this experience will be delightful for those who enjoy whole pickles. After the cucumbers have been properly prepared, they are carefully loaded into jars that are designed to preserve their freshness and flavor. The jars are sealed tightly to maintain the brine's effectiveness, which ensures the pickles stay crunchy and flavorful for months. In some cases, these jars undergo pasteurization, a process that involves heating them to kill any potential bacteria and extend shelf life, while maintaining the taste and texture of the pickles. Once packed, the jars of pickles are labeled with all the necessary details, such as the brand, ingredients, and production date. These pickles are then distributed to stores worldwide, ready to be enjoyed by people of all ages. Whether it's as a snack, a side dish, or a key ingredient in recipes, pickles have become a staple in many cuisines around the globe. The entire process, from planting to pickling, showcases not only the dedication and precision involved in food production but also the technological advancements that have made it more efficient and sustainable. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, ensuring the timeless appeal of pickles continues for generations to come. As we continue exploring the journey of cucumbers from farm to jar, it's important to understand the science behind the brining process. The brine not only infuses the cucumbers with flavor but also acts as a preservation method. The salt in the brine draws out excess moisture from the cucumbers, creating an environment where beneficial bacteria thrive, turning the cucumbers into pickles. Over time, these microorganisms work their magic, giving the pickles their signature tangy taste. The longer the cucumbers sit in the brine, the more intense the flavor becomes, which is why some brands offer pickles aged for several weeks or even months. Additionally, the pickling process can vary based on regional preferences and the type of pickle being made. For example, some countries favor sweeter pickles, while others prefer a sharper, more acidic taste. Spices like mustard seeds, garlic, and peppercorns are often added to the brine, further enhancing the flavor profile. In some places, pickles are even smoked to give them an extra layer of depth. With sustainability becoming more of a focus, many pickle producers are adopting eco-friendly packaging and reducing waste in their production processes. Some companies are even experimenting with organic cucumbers and non-GMO crops, providing consumers with a healthier, more sustainable option. From the carefully tended crops to the precision of the pickling process, it's clear that producing high-quality pickles is an art that combines both tradition and modern innovation. Whether you're enjoying them as a snack or adding them to your favorite dish, you can now appreciate the effort and expertise behind every jar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how pickles are made, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Share this video with your friends if you think they'd enjoy learning about the fascinating world of food production. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.